Hello guys, so on today's episode of Learn Something New, Retex will be learning how to make this beaded cape. So the materials needed is your 5.0 fish line and your beads. Now the first thing we do is to knot the beads with the fish line one by one. So we are going to do several of this. You see the way I'm putting them, about 3 or 4, and then you tie a knot. So while you are tying the knot, you make sure that the beads are showing on one side. You see, for the ones I have done. So that's how you continue to tie the knot. Put some strands of beads and then you tie. You put some beads and tie. So I like working with average of 3 and 4 per tie. Then after tying, this is what you have, the full strand of the knotted beads. Now this is what you have for the full strand. So you do it for as many as you want to work with. Now I made use of white fish line here because my cape is white. You can see it, the cape is white, so that it will blend. Please ensure you always work with matching colors so that it will not give a wrong effect. So after that, I started knotting and sewing each of the knotted beads one by one to the cape. See, you use needle and thread to attach, please, so that it doesn't pull or fall off when the person washes the dress or whenever the person wash. So I just put all of them one by, you fix them and then arrange, ensure that it is full enough. As you are fixing, you just fold and then fix. So while fixing, you try to hide the fish line that you used to do the knotting now, so that it will not show. I like working with fish line because it's transparent and it will not show my rough work. So at the end, this is what we have. See how beautiful it looks. See you next time on Learn Something New with Retex. Thank you for watching. Please follow our YouTube channels to learn more interesting topics.